Okay, welcome to this house. We're going to tour it fast. We're in the entryway, dedicated entryway, not looking right into the great room. You pop over here, your guests won't come here unless they're invited. So we're in the guest room number 1. Its own bathroom. How cool is that? Laundry room. Has its own sink, has a window. Love it. Can't beat it. Come down this hallway. Linen closet. Sweet. Another bedroom. Its own bathroom. Walk-in closet. Okay, all the bedrooms have their own bathroom. How cool is that? Boom. Great room. Tall ceilings, vaulted ceilings, huge kitchen, huge island, awesome fan, tons of natural light. Can't beat it. What is this room? Well, it's a flex room. It's like a main level bonus room, TV room, den, office, whatever you want it to be. That's why they call it a flex room. Well, this dining room is really cool. You've got the windows, you've got the high windows. I love how it's tucked in its own little space. It's awesome. Amazing kitchen again. Thermidor appliances. Okay, they spent the money on those. Cool cabinets. I like how they did 2 different stains. So awesome. Okay, nice size master bedroom. I like it. Lots of natural light. Good size. Step in here to the master bathroom. Toilet closet. Okay, I like the location. You don't see the toilet right when you walk in, but it is close. Okay, separated the vanities. Love it. Soaker tub. Love it. Ooh, wow. They obviously spent the money on the closet shelving. And then got to check out the master shower. Better be good. Yes, it is good. You've got the seat. You've got the soap dish. You got the dual heads. I think they hit this one on the head.